Yeah, YouTube. Hello, iSamfix Computer Solutions once again with another video. Check my power supply when I plug in the charger. We are getting 11 milliamps. That's truly true. Board is not drawing enough power. So I come with a multimeter, try to check for some voltages. Very important. The main power rail first, the 19 volts. Yeah, I get 19 volts on the port. Charging port, 19 volts on this chip here. MOSFET on the other side, getting 4.2. Yeah, that's not great. I think we should go under the microscope so that we can check this together. Okay, yeah, under the microscope. You focus. Okay. Yeah, so here it's so let me try to keep it nice. Actually, the board is a bit longer than the usual. Yeah, this board is quite long, so it need a bigger space on my table. So let me set everything straight and I'll be, yeah, so this is the charging port. As you can see, the charger is plugged on that charging port, in that charging port. So if we go ahead, you'll see that there's, from charging port, we are going to this chip here. Yeah, that chip, that's the first chip there. So try to take voltages on this one. Yeah, try to take voltage on, I can see 19 volts on that side. On this side, I'm getting 4.19, maybe 4.2, just to round off for the sake of simplicity. And that is not good. The board is not drawing enough power, which is not good actually. The board needs to draw enough power so that the motherboard can power on. A good focus so that you can see this all together. And I need to get this chip out and try to replace with another one. We see whether we'll be having another issue. Yeah, on most motherboard you'll find that after the first chip, when you find where the power is stuck, after you let the flow of power continue, the motherboard will turn on and start working. But in some cases you'll have to work 2 to 3 times. Yeah, there's a machine I worked on almost 4 to 5 times, but the good thing is that it worked at last. Yeah, hot air station here. Okay. Yeah, come again with some hot air station. Yeah. Oh, the MOSFET is a bit sliding, but at the end of the we have managed to pick the MOSFET, so that's it. So I'm trying to grab another MOSFET here, and before that, let me check through my power supply whether there's a short. You can see on my power supply I'm getting 17 milliamps, so the power supply is not detecting any short. So this is not a short. I guess this is just a faulty chip on this machine. You can see the power supply, I'm getting 17 milliamps, fluctuating to some values, but we are not detecting a short. So let's grab another MOSFET from another board and maybe try to see how this is going to work out for us. Yeah, so this is the MOSFET from the other board. Yeah, So some flux, try to get this one. Yeah, hot air, try to grab that chip so that we can transfer it onto the other motherboard. The chip is out. Yeah, bring it onto this motherboard and try to see how things will work out here. Yeah, so place the new chip on the motherboard. So solder the chip. Yeah. I think the chip is getting ready to. Yeah, chip is ready. I think we just need to hold it now for some seconds, and then the solder will be dry. Yeah, then we can release the chip. Yeah, so can I maybe try to take some voltages? Let me cool down the chip first, then take some voltages and see if this is going to work out good for me. Yeah, so come with a multimeter. So no, why am I still getting this side? I'm getting 19 on the other side I'm getting. Let me see. That is still not getting 19. You're getting 4.19 like before. 4.2, 4. Okay, looks like the chip is trying to move power from one side of the board to the other, but it's not. Let me try to add some solder. Some of these pins, behind pins, look like they are not well settled. Let me try to add some more solder there so that everything can get intact with the motherboard properly. And I think it's looking a bit better now. Should we do some more? Yeah, I think that's fine. You don't have to be here the whole day. So I connect the charger first, or take the voltages first. Let me do some little bit of cleanup. Clean up. It's very important so that we can have a clear view on the microscope. Yeah, and so again, yeah, I look on my power supply after I insert the charger. Now I'm 100% sure I'm having 19 volts on this side. You can see I'm having 19, and you can see on my power supply this machine is taking some power. Yeah, let's come out of the microscope mode and get to see this on the other side without being under the microscope. Yeah, move the microscope aside. Yeah, so let's plug in the charger and see. Yeah, so the board came that way from the person who brought this motherboard. Is a good friend of mine, also a technician. So you can see the two lights are on, these ones, the white and yellow. And let's see whether the motherboard is going to have a fan spin. And if the fan spins, that's all. I think we are already, yeah, good. The fan is spinning. And if the fan is spinning and the machine was taking nothing, that's it. So guys, that's all for today. Let's meet in the next video. Yeah, bye.